One of the reasons why I recommend continuous contour drawing and no effort sketch journaling is because it provides no stress environment for practicing art. What do I mean by that? Check, what do I mean? First of all, there is no bad drawing. I say that a lot. There is drawing, then there is no drawing. That's all there is. But let's forget that for a moment and imagine that you made a bad drawing. I mean, it is so bad you can't stand the sight of it. The worst case scenario. Oh my god. What will we do? In no effort sketch journaling, you are working on a 9 by 9, 10 by 10 centimeter square. Just throw it away. That's it. Problem solved. This is the worst case scenario. That's what I mean by no stress environment. Burn it if you want to be dramatical about it. Check, I told you this wasn't safe. Because if you are working on a big page like A4 or A3 watercolor paper, this gives you stress. I do feel it every time. This sugar isn't for free. That's a cause for stress. Or if you are working on a binded sketchbook, you can't just rip the page off. Even if you cut the page carefully with a knife, you will still see it was taken from there. Or even worse, you've been using this sketchbook for a while and you already have beautiful drawings and paintings on them. So the page you are going to draw is already attached to something very valuable to you. This is a cause for stress. But if you are working on a tiny individual square, fudge it. I can afford to throw away one tiny square. Having said that, I didn't throw away even one square. I love them all for different reasons. And this brings me to embracing your mistakes. And what does that mean? We do continuous contour drawing. We put our pen down and don't lift it up until the drawing is done. You go over the lines you drew before, or you go across your subject where no line is supposed to be. So this is already pretty abstract. And do you know the best thing about abstract drawings? They are made up. There is no wrong answer here. How can you fail when there is no wrong answer? That's right, you can't. So what should you do? Put your pen down and hope for the best. Remember that every drawing is a practice. Every time you do this, you are getting better at drawing. What if you really made a mistake? Like you were drawing a mug, but it's too short. Oh my god, too short. You go over your mug and make it taller. And leave the first line there. That's now part of your drawing. This is that unexpected beauty. So this is what I mean by no stress environment for art practice. In the worst case, you know what to do. In the next video, we will talk about what is the difference between looking and seeing. See you in the next video. Oh, let me take a sip from my coffee. Jesus. Thank you, Jack. Bless you too. Oh, perfectly cold.